Ever wonder how your favorite product is made? Let's take it back to the Glow Recipe Labs so you can see how Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops are made. I'm Wanda the Watermelon, and I'm bringing you into the Glow Recipe Labs where our team's hard at work making dewdrops. It all starts at Jeju Island, a dreamy oasis filled with golden beaches, lava tubes, and watermelon. We source fresh watermelon here and like to choose fruit with funny shapes that would typically not make it into supermarkets. Some call them less appealing, but we think they're super cute and equally powerful. We send them to our lab in mainland Korea where we cut the fruit by hand and then dehydrate them for 3 days. This makes the nutrients and antioxidants in the watermelon extract more concentrated. We then use an ultrasonic extraction method, which requires less energy than typical hydrothermal extraction processes, which helps us lower carbon dioxide emissions and decrease nutrient destruction. And just like that, our super special watermelon extraction process is complete. We combine it with other glowing ingredients, brightening niacinamide, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and soothing moringa seed oil, and stir it all up. It's the powerhouse blend that makes dewdrops a powerful serum and makeup primer. One dewdrop is sold every 17 seconds worldwide, so we create a lot of it. Once the formula is ready, we move to our filling station. Our glass bottles are made with 70% recycled glass and are 100% recyclable. After they're filled, we hand pack them into their cartons, which are made of FSC certified paper. They're then shipped to our retailers and warehouses and eventually make their way to you, so you can glow your brightest. That was so much fun. Thanks for hanging. Until next time, friends.